My role in the Data Springboard is to represent Westminster Council's data strategy, vision and goals. We've implemented a new data strategy where we want to make the most of the data within our systems, but we're also looking at how we can share data and be transparent in how we share the data with the public, including residents and visitors. I would like to think that, yes, it will be beneficial for the businesses individually, but I think ultimately the goal should be how can we improve the experience of people visiting the area? How can we be customer focused as a collective? How can we entice people back, but also once they're back here, make them have a good experience in the area?